Potty Time Dino.
Roar! It's potty time! Come on, friends, let's go! When my tummy says it's time, I know just what to do. I walk right to the potty chair, it's waiting there for you. Step by step, don't be shy, Dino's here to give a try. Sit down nice and count to 3, you're doing great, just like me. Potty time, let's go right away. Sit and wait, don't be late, hip, hip, hooray. Flush it down, wash your hands, soap and bubbles too. Potty time with Dino is something we can do. Big kids listen to their bodies when they need to go. Take your time and don't you rush your learning as you grow. Potty time, we're so proud today. Flush and smile, wash a while, now we're ready to play. Wash, scrub, make your hands so clean. Rinse them well and dry them to the cleanest you ever seen. Potty time, everybody cheer. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, we did it, give a cheer. Flush it down, wash your hands, now we're fresh and bright. Great job, Dino, great job, friends, you did it just right. Hooray! You did an awesome job. Remember, potty, flush, wash, and smile. See you next time.
If you like my videos, like and subscribe for updates.